You first want to start out by creating a prompt for what you want ChatGPT to do for you. In this case, I'm asking it to create an assignment description for my engineering internship students to create their portfolio. This is amazing. So it already included most of the things that I would want to have it include, and I'm going to pause the video to review it in detail. After reading over this, I was happy with what it included, and so I'm just going to copy and paste this content over into Google Classroom. One important thing that I want to show you that you need to have a workaround for in Google Classroom is when you create an assignment like this and directly paste it from ChatGPT, you're going to run into a formatting issue. So I'll show you. So here, I'm going to paste this. Let me schedule this for later in the week. Excuse me. Okay, so I've scheduled the assignment, but if I go in and look at it, it's missing a ton of information. So I've noticed that this has been happening, and so I found this workaround, which is just take a blank Google Doc and paste the same content into the Google Doc. What I think this does is it removes some unnecessary formatting that Google Classroom can't read. So I took it and pasted it into a Google Doc. And then I'm going to paste it back here. So see how all a significant portion of this information is missing. I'm going to do Control A, Control C, and then I'm going to paste in this one more time. And if I schedule it this time, you'll notice that it has everything in here this time. So be on the lookout for that if you're pasting from ChatGPT. In Google Classroom, Gemini is located here on the left, and you're going to select the Create a Rubric button. This is for a 12th grade class, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste the assignment from ChatGPT over here as well. And where it asks me to describe the knowledge or skills I want the students to demonstrate, I'm going to pause the video and go grab some content. You can really paste whatever you want in here, or you can outline it by typing it, and then you're going to click Generate Criteria. It has reworded what I put down, and I'm going to review this really quick, and if I like it and I'm happy with it, I'm going to generate a rubric. Here is the rubric that it was able to generate. It's amazing, and it has saved me many, many hours in generating my own rubric. Of course, I'm going to review this, and the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and export it to Sheets. This is the place where I would also make edits, so I'm going to edit some things here in the rubric. One of the things I always edit is the headings here. So now once I have my rubric created and I've read over it and I've edited it, I'm going to go ahead and load this rubric into Google Classroom. And so I'm going to go back here and back to the appropriate course. In this case, it's my engineering internship course. And back to that portfolio entry assignment. Here's the same assignment that we created earlier, and I'm going to import this rubric from Sheets. When you import it, it looks like this. It comes in perfectly because it was generated in a format that was designed to come in. I always use scoring. I sometimes edit these points values, and you have to manually edit each column. And then you just save the rubric. And go ahead and reschedule your assignment. And you can now use this rubric as a feedback tool or as a grading tool, and Google Classroom will automatically add it up for you. I hope you can use this AI workflow to save time on planning and rubric generation so that you can spend more time doing what's important to you.